Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold definitely has turned down. I mean, we definitely did get that nice break of started down. We got a pretty good little fib bounce at the 61% Fibonacci retracement of this move up on like the 4 hour time frame. Now, I think that this is going to continue down. I think it potentially is just a pullback to the last series of lower lows, lower highs, which the last series of lower lows, lower highs actually starts right here because that's where the last break of started to the upside actually was. So more than likely, I would expect this to go up to at least the 50% because we got a nice top, bottom become a top right there. We also have a nice drop base drop right here. So I think there's a good chance we're probably going to make some sort of an overlapping corrective pattern probably over the next day or so is hopefully what I think is going to happen. Then likely either Friday or maybe even next week early, like Monday or Sunday, hopefully we'll get a nice another short opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend, which I'm hoping is a wave one, wave two, and then potentially a big wave three down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.